Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello.
Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay? And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high. High to the sky. And then stretch down low. Touch your toes. Next, let's go back up high. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And let's give a wave while we're there. And then back down one more time to touch your toes. Now, let's stand up straight and then we'll rotate. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And now let's shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. And to finish, we'll do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So who can tell me, guys, what we've been learning about in math class recently? Beginning with D. Division, correct. So how do we spell division? D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division. Okay, and in the last lesson, what were we learning about with division? Division of 2 digits. D-I-G-I-T-S. Division of 2 digits by B-Y, 1 digit. And what were we using to do our equation? Using long division. Using U-S-I-N-G. Long.
L-O-N-G.
And division. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division of two digits by one digit using long division. And then that word I've already heard, with remainders. Excellent. W-I-T-H. With remainders. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R-S. Division of two digits by one digit using long division with remainders. Okay, so now I would like a volunteer, and we are going to demonstrate some sums. So Prau, can you come and join me first, please? So first of all, guys, Prau, if you can stand here for me. Thank you. Can anybody remember our 4 steps to do with long division? Number 1, divide. So number 1, divide. And then what comes after divide? Multiply. M-U-L-T-I-P-L-Y. Divide. Multiply. Subtract. Excellent. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. And step number 4, bring down. Excellent. D-O-W-N. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, so now I have my assistant Prau, and what we're going to do division of two digits by one digit using long division with remainders. Okay, so let's see, we will do our division table, and we will have 47 divided by 2. Prau, what color would you like? Black. Okay, so over to you. So first step, guys, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Step number 2, 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. Excellent. Step number 3, now we subtract, so we can write our subtraction sign here. 4 minus 4 equals 0. So once we get to 0, we know that column is great. Next, step number 4, bring down. We bring 7 down to here. And we repeat the process. So 7 divided by 2 equals 3. So 3 will go on top. 2 times 3 equals 6. And then step number 3, subtract. So we can write our minus sign here. 7 minus 6 equals 1. But now, what do we do with our 1? There is no other column to move our 1 to. So 1 becomes remainder. So what do we need to write here? R. Perfect. So we can say 47 divided by 2 equals
23.
perfect. Prel, are you happy with that?
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
High five. And rounds of applause for Prel for doing such a good job. Thank you. Okay, so this is great. We remember excellently, but we'll do one more example with another volunteer. Who would like to join me at the front, guys? Pak Bung, okay, you can join me. So what I'll do, I'll delete the previous problem, and we will have, let's see, what shall we do now? How about 54 divided by 3. Pak Bung, would you like black or would you like blue?
Black.
Okay. So remembering our steps again, guys. Step number 1, divide. 5 divided by 3 equals 1. It goes in one time. So we'll write 1 here. Step number 2, 3 times 1 equals 3. Perfect. Step number 3, subtract. So we can, excellent. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So we're not at 0, so we know we have some work left here. And now we bring down. We bring down the 4 to here. So now, because we've got the 2 here, not 0, we're not just working with 4, we're working with 24. So let's see, 24 divided by 3. How many times? 8. Okay? So you can write perfect. Now what's the next step? Subtract. We have to multiply first. 3 times 8 equals 3 times 8 equals 24. So we write 24 here. Perfect. Next step, subtract. 24 minus
24
equals 0. That's fine. We're at 0. We know we're right. Do we have any remainders here? No. No remainders, because we can say 54 divided by 3 equals 18. If we get to 0 at the end, we know we don't have remainders. So we don't need to write anything here because we have our answer already. So Pak Bung, 54 divided by 3 equals
18.
excellent. High five and a round of applause for Pak Bung. That was excellent, guys. Well worked out. And what we're going to do today, we're going to move on. We're still going to be doing division, but what we're going to do today, I will rub out this equation here. We're not going to be using remainders. We are going to change from 2 digits by 1 digit. Can anyone guess what we're doing there? We're going to move on to division of 3 digits by 1 digit using long division. Okay guys, excellent, well done. And what we've got now, we've got a video for us to look at, so we can better understand division of 3 digits by 1 digit with long division. So let's all turn our chairs to have a look at the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look at our video of long division of a 3-digit dividend. And what dividend means, that means the number that we're dividing. So in this case, 3 digits is the 3-digit dividend.
3-digit dividend. In this lesson, we will learn how to divide a 3-digit dividend by a 1-digit divisor using long division. In this expression, 822 is the dividend.
The
Which is
dividend.
the amount we have.
And 3
Is the divisor, which is the number we are dividing by. With division, we are asking, how much is in each group if we want to evenly divide 822 among 3 groups? To start this division, we draw the long division symbol.
Our division table
Our dividend, 822, inside it.
inside
And
the
our
table.
divisor, 3, on the left of it. When performing long division, we carry out 4 steps with every digit in the dividend.
Remember our steps, guys? Divide,
We multiply,
multiply,
then we
subtract,
and finally, we
bring
the
down.
next digit from our dividend until we have no more digits to bring down. Let's see this operation in action. We begin with the digit in the largest place value in our dividend, which is 8. And we try and divide it by our divisor, 3. Can we evenly divide 8 by 3?
No.
How many 3s are in 8?
2.
2 3s are the most number of 3s that fit into 8.
So we'll write,
3 3s is a 9.
so we write 2 on top.
So 2 becomes the first digit in our quotient. We write a 2 above the 8 from our dividend. Now, as we've learned, after we divide, we multiply.
What's next, guys?
So we take the digit we wrote in the quotient and multiply it by our divisor, 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. We write 6 below the 8, the number we divided. Our third step is to subtract. 8 minus 6 equals 2. After subtracting, we notice that we cannot evenly divide 2 by 3. So, we bring down the next digit from our dividend. Bring down the 2.
So now we have
Now we
22.
have 22, and we use it as the new dividend. We repeat the 4 steps again. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down.
So next we look at 22 divided by 3.
How many 3s are in 22?
7.
7 3s are the most number of 3s that fit into 22. because 8 threes is 24, and that is bigger than 22.
And next we multiply.
So 7 becomes the second digit in our quotient. We write 7 above the 2 from our dividend. Now we multiply. We take 7 and multiply it by our divisor, 3.
3 times 7,
times 3 equals 21.
21.
And we write 21 below 22.
Number we divided.
Then we subtract. 22 minus 21
Equals 1.
Now we notice that we cannot evenly divide 1 by 3. So we bring down the next and the last digit from our dividend. We bring down the 2.
So now we're working with 12.
Now we have 12. We will repeat our 4-step process one more time. What is the result of dividing 12 by 3? 12 divided by 3 equals 4, right? So, we write 4 above 2, the last digit we brought down from the dividend. The second step is to multiply. 4 times 3 equals 12. The third step is to subtract. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Notice that we've used all of the digits from our dividend. Since we have no more digits to bring down, we stop.
We have our answer.
Notice that the result of the last subtraction we performed was 0. So we have no remainder.
No remainders at 0.
And our answer is in the quotient, which is
274. Understand, guys? Excellent.
In this lesson, you learned how to divide a 3-digit dividend by a 1-digit divisor.
Any questions? No. Okay, excellent, guys. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video about learning how to divide 3 digits by 1 digit using long division. And remember our 4 steps when using long division: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay, so now I would like to demonstrate how to do this. So I will draw my division table. Okay, so can somebody give me a number that I need to divide?
348 divided by 4.
Okay, 848 divided by 4. So let's begin. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So that's step 1. 4 times 2 equals 8. Step 2. Next, step number 3, what do we do? Subtract. 8 minus 8 equals 0. So that's step 3. Next step number 4. Bring down. We know this column is fine because once we reach 0, we know we have nothing left. So 4 will come down to here. And we'll repeat the process. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 4 times 1
equals 4.
equals 4. Next to subtract. 4 minus 4
Equals 0.
equals 0. Once again, we know we get to 0, so we're fine. What's step number 4?
Bring down.
What do I bring down?
8.
8. And we repeat again. Divide. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. You can see we've done it one time already. Next step, number 2, multiply. 4 times 2 equals 8, and I'm running out of space, so I'll write it small. Multiply. Next we have to subtract. 8 minus 8
Equals 0.
equals 0. And what's step number 4?
Bring down.
Bring down. But now we don't have anything left to bring down. We're at 0. Any remainders?
No.
No. So therefore we have our answer. 212.
212.
So we can say 848
48.
divided by
Divided by
4 equals 212.
212.
And this is how we do division
Division
of 3 digits
3 digits
by 1 digit
by 1 digit.
using long division. Excellent, guys. Well done. And now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we will begin by placing our hands on our head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. Now, let's do it one more time. But this time, let's do it quickly. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. And to finish, we're going to do 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. And now it's time for our flashcards activity. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off the flash sheets for this lesson and cut the division problems into individual problems. And what we're going to do now is invite a few of our students forward to pick a problem and we'll work it out together on the board. So who would like to go first? Net, okay, you can come and join me. So first of all, can you come and stand here, please? Can you choose your problem? Okay, can you show it to your friends?
246 divided by 2.
Okay. 246.
Divided by 2.
Excellent. Net, what color would you like? Blue or black?
Black.
Black. Okay. So, we'll work out this problem together. So, step number 1. What do we need to do, guys? Divide. So, 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So, we'll write 1 at the top. Excellent.
2 multiply.
So, next for step number 2.
2
Times 1
equal 2.
equals 2. Excellent, Net. And next, 3, subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Excellent. Very good. So we know we've got to 0 already. We're ready for step number 4.
Bring down.
Bring down. So can we bring 4 down to here. 4, yes. Excellent. And then we repeat the process. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So we can write 2 here. Perfect. Step number 2, multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4. So we write 4 here. Perfect. Step number 3, subtract.
4 minus 4 equals 0.
Excellent. 4 minus 4 is 0. Perfect. So we know we're at the end of the second column. What's next, Ned? Bring down. So we'll bring 6 from here down to here. Excellent. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So we'll write 3 here. You can write 3 on top. Perfect. Step number 2. So we will say 2 times 3 equals 6. So we write 6. Yes. Subtract.
6 minus 6 equals 0.
Equals 0. Next step, bring down. There's no more numbers to bring down. We're at 0. Do we have any remainders? No. So now we have our answer. Ned, 123. So we can say 246 divided by 2 equals 123. And this is 3 digits by 1 digit using long division. Net, excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Net, please. Well done. Okay, and we have invite one more student forward to do a problem for us. Who would like to come down? Come and join me. I will rub out this problem and then we'll do our next one. Okay, so can you choose and show your friends? What's our problem, guys?
369 divided by 3.
369 divided by 3. Okay, down. What color would you like? Black.
Thank you.
Over to you. So what's step number 1, guys? Divide. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Perfect. Step number 2, multiply. 3 times 1 equals 3. Subtract. 3 minus 3 equals 0. And next, step number 4, bring down. Excellent. So now we repeat the same process. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So we'll write 2 on top. 3 times 2 equals 6. Next step, subtract. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Very good. So now we know we're at 0. We're ready for our next step. Bring down. So let's bring down number 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Perfect. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 divide 9 minus 9
Equals 0.
equals 0. Is there any more numbers that we need to bring down? Do we have any remainders? No, we're at 0. So we have our answer. 123. So we can say 369 divided by 3 equals 123. Excellent. Down. That was great. High five and a round of applause for Down. Well done, guys. And well done to everybody else. Well done. Welcome back to class. Teachers, it's now time for our worksheet activity. So what you will need to do is print off one worksheet for each of the students in your class. And what our students need to do is they need to work through the various division problems, 3 digits by 1 digit, like we've been practicing on the board earlier, and then write their answers using the long division method in the spaces on the right hand side. But what's the first thing to do, guys? Excellent. And give our students around 15 minutes to complete this activity, and you can monitor the class and give them any help that they need. So, Down, here you go. You're welcome. Prel, you're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Bangpon. Pakbung, Chu. Okay, guys, so let's do the first one together. The first one we have is 220 divided by 2. So, step 1, let's divide 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So we'll write 1 on top. Then what's step number 2? Multiply. 2 times 1 equals 2. So we'll write 2 below our 2 there. Step number 3, subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. So once we get to 0, we know we're fine. The next step is to bring down. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. It's the same process again. 2 times 1. 2 minus 2 equals 0. And once we get to 0, we know we're fine. No remainders, we can move on to the next column. And our next step is to bring down. What are we bringing down? 0. We're at 0 already. So, we bring down 0, and we can say 2 times 0 equals 0. 0 times 2 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. So guys, we have our answer. 222 divided by 2 equals 110. So there's your first problem worked out. If you need any help with any others, let me know. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to work through the various problems and show their workings out on the worksheet provided. And our class all did a great job, so well done, guys. So today we've learnt about division of 3 digits by 1 digit using long division. And our 4 steps again, guys: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Excellent, well done. So that's the end of today's lesson. We hope you found it interesting, enjoyed it, and had some fun too. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we all turn to wave and say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye bye. See you again next time.